and I work in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, as project manager. I'm here after 2 decades in school. And what Abhyasa means to me, this is the place where character building happens. So it has helped me a lot throughout my journey in IAS preparation. All these 7 years, whatever I learned in Abhyasa kept me alive always. That's it. So this is how Abhyasa is very special and close to my heart. Thank you.
We have a design and development center in Pune, in Maharashtra, and our manufacturing is in the US and little bit in Japan. We just recently started. So that's what I do right now. I have 2 beautiful kids, 3.5+ year old daughter and 15-month son. That's about me.
Years and 1 daughter who's about 5 years. So that's about me. Thank you and Pranam sir again. Hi, good evening everyone. Back benches, back seats. Good evening.
So what happened around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, it was done very judiciously and with lot of dedicated effort. It was just not from my side. So Sir, Vinayak sir and Prasad sir and myself, so I used to go around 2:30 continuous for 3 days and then do the complete voiceover for the program. So this happened for a couple of events, sir, if I remember. So this is one part of discipline where you have to have that interest, you have to have that punctuality. So that sums up.
Do all the good you can, by all the ways you can, by all the means you can, to all the people you can, as long as you can.
दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे.